Hello, my name is May and I am the Minister Head of Whitelight Creative Productions. At katatapos nga lang pala ng Hiraya. Ito po ay Theater Collab workshop natin. So, kamustahin natin ang experience ng lahat ng mga nagsipagdalo sa workshop na ito. Halika!
Hello po, ako po si Philip Matthew Gloria, isang theater director at volunteer ng Whitelight Creative Productions. At sobrang nakakataba ng puso dahil hindi namin expect yung dami ng mga participants na mag-participate for this Hiraya Theater Collab Workshop. Since last year, we are preparing for this at sobrang naging fruitful yon dahil yon kay Lord. Hindi aksidente na pinagsama-sama niya lahat ng mga kabataan from different theater organization, theater enthusiasts. May experience man o wala, naniniwala kami na ang theater ay para sa lahat. Maraming salamat at alam kong hindi pa itong huli dahil marami pang opportunity, marami pang way para makapag-minister kami sa marami pang souls. Maraming salamat po and see you next time.
Hello po, I'm Charmaine Camacho. You can call me Charm. I'm from Teatro La Saliana, De La Salle University Dasmariñas Organization. And yung pinaka-takeaways ko po dito or natutunan ko sa workshop na to is sobrang dami. And natutuwa po ako na isa po kami sa mga in-invite and sana maulit po yung ganitong experience. So ayun po, thank you so much po.
Hello, my name is Rain Angela, or you can call me Anya, and I am from Teatro La Saliana. I am 19 years old, and my experience so far in this workshop, it's very eye-opening, and madami akong nakilala na hindi ko talaga alam na ang dami ko pala makikilala dito in this session. And in this workshop, parang it's very eye-opening and nakakaroon ka ng bond with others kahit hindi mo talaga sila kilala. And that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello po, I am Joshua Gianni S. Tolentino po, and my organization po is Dramatica Association po. And ang masasabi ko po sa experience ko po dito sa workshop na to is like sobrang saya po na parang like gusto ko po siyang ma-try ulit po since may new things po ako natutunan and na-meet po ako ng mga new peoples, and also that na parang mas nawala yung kaba ko sa mga like pag-perform ko sa mga ganito, mga workshops and everything. Yun po. Thank you po.
I am John Nebeji Sarino from Kolehiyo ng Lungsod ng Dasmariñas. Arete Org Tanghalan. Ang experience ko lang po ngayon sa sa Hiraya, sa workshop is napakasaya po kasi kung tutuusin, ayun nga po, medyo tahimik ako pag mag-isa lang ako since mag-isa lang ako pumasok dito, and nung mga may groupings na magkakasama na naging comfortable ako around, tapos nakipagtulungan, natuto at magkasama ng mga maraming tao na kahit hindi ka kilala, comfortable naman. Yeah, dito po sa workshop, masaya ako sa experience. Yun lang. Thank you for having me po.
Hi po, I'm Benj from De La Salle University Dasmariñas, probationary member of Teatro La Saliana. So today po, sobra akong nag-enjoy kasi marami akong nakilala talaga. Nung una, sobra pa akong nahihiya talaga. Pero nung nagkaroon ako ng chance to perform on the stage, tapos makipag-usap sa iba, nawala talaga, naging walang hiya talaga. So napakagandang experience kasi may mga bagay na ngayon ko lang talaga nalaman sa theater industry, and then dun ako pinakamasaya sa part na I had a chance to connect with other people po. Thank you.
Sophie po. I'm from DLSUD or De La Salle University Dasmariñas po. And ang experience ko naman po sa Hiraya workshop is very calming siya, very refreshing po kasi po I've been to different workshops na, but ngayon po, hanggang ngayon, nakaka-feel pa rin ako kaba, pero at the same time, I'm very happy po kasi nakapag-collaborate po with other orgs, with other artists po, and I thank God kasi po hanggang ngayon, tinatanggap pa rin ako ng theater, tinatanggap pa rin ako ng sining, at ikaw, hinihintay ka lang din ng sining.
Hello po, I am Anaya Nora Patrice I. Medina, or you can call me Anaya po. I am from DIHS, Dramatica Asociacion, and today po, marami po akong na-experience na pagbabago here sa Hiraya, and I never expected na it could be a place where I can have to express myself fully and freely, and truly marami akong natutunan ngayon kasi from what I've known, pag-acting is to have the character, you have to base your character do sa ginagawa mong play, pero dito kailangan mong meron tayong mga variables na kailangan natin pag-isipan, lalo na collaborating with the other actors, and especially with our team, and with dancing and singing rin po. So maraming salamat po sa experience na to. I had so much fun po.
I'm William. I'm from DLSUD, part of Teatro Rosaliana. And for me, I would say the experience here at Hiraya is a great combination of course, Christian teachings, but teatro, which is something of course I'm both familiar with, na napaghambing into one cohesive workshop na in which with some experience naman, of course, na-refresh ako, na-reapply ko, and of course, collaborating with beginners, amateurs, and professionals, it was a wonderful experience, one of its kind, and hopefully, meron pa mga future workshops like this na lahat, whatever level you are, whatever age you are, is talagang equal level, I guess, na makapag-experience ng ganito. It was really fun, very memorable, and hopefully, yun nga, maulit ulit, and hopefully, makapunta ulit. Yun lang po.
I'm Nicolay Pascasio. I'm 35 and I'm a complete amateur when it comes to theater. And this workshop was a big inspiration for me to continue in pursuing my dreams in becoming an actor or anything that has to do with theater. And I hope that there would be more workshops to come.
Hello po, my name is Cienmi Lopez. I'm 18 years old from NU Dasma po. My experience in Hiraya is first po medyo mayayain po kasi ako nung una kasi wala po akong experiences sa mga workshops and theater acting ganun. And approachable po yung mga nakilala kong tao ganun, mga strangers kasi wala naman po akong friends na kasama. And overall naman po, masaya po sa akin kasi new experience for me, and nakapag-explore po ako na nagpe-pray ko rin po kasi na ano yung calling sa akin ni Lord sa future na gagawin ko sa buhay ko. Baka or acting po ba ako or singing, dancing, mga ganun. Yun lang.
Hello po, I'm Faith po from Teatro La Saliana. My experience earlier, sobrang saya po. Marami po ako nakilala, marami po ako natutunan today. Yun lang po, thank you!
Hi, I'm Coach Dana. I'm Coach Elaine.
I'm Coach Eugene.
I'm Coach Feby. Ayan, so kamusta naman yung experience natin sa Hiraya?
Okay, so actually, it was exciting, but in the end, fulfillment for us kasi nagawa namin siya successfully.
Yes! For me naman, sobrang nakaka-bless kasi different organizations, different theater enthusiasts ang nakasama natin today. Kami din natuto from them.
Yes. Actually, it's really a theater collab at ang dami kong friends!
Actually, ayun, lahat naman nasabi nila, pero sobra talagang grateful ako na may ganitong program kung saan nagsama-sama yung mga theater enthusiasts talaga. And I pray na magkakaroon pa ng Hiraya Batch 2, 3, 4, 5, and forever! Ayun lang, maraming salamat sa pagpunta ng Hiraya sa aming mga participants. Sana kayo nag-enjoy dahil kami nag-enjoy din. See you, God bless!
Thank you for joining Hiraya! Till